RDDT stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So as I'm looking at Reddit with a $153 level, this is such a bullish market, in which case all I'm looking to do is just double down, buy more. Crazy part about this is that I've been the one buying this since it was like a little $100, and here is the freaking proof. Okay, here, I think this is the one. It gotta be, man, it gotta be. Yeah, it was $100, exactly $100 at the time, looking for like 130, so I was expecting like a 30% increase just a month ago. And this not only did it deliver, now we're sitting at 153. So moving forward, if there is a confirmation, I'm still going to buy, and if not, bro, then I guess I'm not. I don't care, right? So that's how Reddit is looking like. If you want my exact play and my intricacies and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people already tried it. See you in the next one. Absolutely risk-free, you know, to get those 10k months.